Hello and welcome to the Amanda Ramsay Beauty Boxes. These very special, carefully curated, hand-picked beauty boxes for you, just for women over the age of 40, 50, 60 and beyond. Each beauty box is a very carefully curated collection of must-have products. So each product has been hand-picked for performance, high performance, professional grade products. They've been handpicked and selected because they are mineral or 100% natural or certified organic based, so they will nurture and care for your skin. It's like an extension to your skincare routine. They're all about packing hydration into the skin, so not only are they high performance, but they're also nurturing your skin while you're wearing it, while you're looking amazing. And then the third reason they've made it into the kit is that they're easy to use. So super easy, foolproof, and fast. Let's be perfectly honest, we're all flying by the seat of our pants. Life's pretty wild and woolly, and very few of us have loads of time to put on makeup. So that's why this little capsule collection of must-have, your 5 essential must-haves, will have you out the door looking fabulous fast. I know that I've tried, tested and used each and every one of these products. This has been a process that's taken me a good couple of years to fine-tune and handpick each product that is really right for you. And all the thinking and decision making has been done. I've done all the work, and here it is handed to you, your little capsule makeup wardrobe. So you'll get your 5 essential products plus 3 also carefully selected skincare samples, plus a little bonus gift from me, just a nice treat for you because you're amazing. And it all comes in a nice little calico bag. So there is your little collection of go-to makeup. So each of your curated beauty boxes includes the following. You will get your foundation. So your Rageism All Day Foundation, a beautiful mineral-based foundation specifically formulated for women over the age of 40. Think of it as an extension to your skincare routine. It is packed with vitamins and minerals that will not only reflect light and give you this beautiful luminous glow, but are also treating your skin while you're wearing it. You'll also have the Perez, hard to film this one, Carrot Colour Pot Cheek Colours, which are a cheek to lip colour, a 100% natural Australian brand, Perez Natural Cosmetics, and packed with beautiful nutrient-rich ingredients. It's also looking after your skin while you're wearing it. So think of it as another extension to your skincare routine. Bit of a theme happening here, isn't there? You'll also have your Me Cosmetics Forever Eye Colour Crayon. There's a selection of colours, and there's a handy little how-to video on how to choose the right colour for you. So that's your eyeshadow crayon. And you also get the Me Cosmetics Sculpting Brow Builder for combing through and defining and giving a bit more oomph to your brows, which really shapes your face. The Inica Organic Long Lash Mascara in black. They are your 5 must-have essential products for looking polished and pulled together super fast. Plus, each time I do the boxes, there will be a different set of skincare samples, but at the moment there are 3 100% natural skincare samples that I use in my professional kit, also use in my classes, and everyone that's used them has fallen in love with these products. So if this is something that you're interested in jumping on board with, we are taking pre-orders. So comment below, send us a message at amanda@amandaramsay.com.au if you would like to pre-order your box. There are 3 different boxes. Each of the 3 boxes has those 5 core products in it. It's just that each age group I've tweaked the color recommendations. So the color recommendations are really tweaked for your age group. So jump on down below. It depends where you're watching this. You either comment in my feed or click the link to go to email me, amanda@amandaramsay.com.au. You can also jump onto my website, which is amandaramsay.com.au. Click the shop button and you'll be directed to my email address anyhow. Let us know if you would like to be added to the list so we can let you know as soon as they land on my website. All right, exciting times. Rock on, sisters, because we are all for pro-age, beauty at every age, and just confidence is beauty. True beauty is all about confidence. So it's my mission to empower each and every one of you to feel fabulous. So shine bright and watch this space.